If you're someone who loves that soft, chewable nugget ice from restaurants and coffee shops, you already know how disappointing regular freezer ice can be. It melts differently, doesn't feel the same in your drink, and if you've ever tried buying bags of nugget ice, you know it gets expensive fast. So today, we're taking a closer look at the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker to see if it can finally bring that cafe-style ice experience into your home. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is designed for anyone who enjoys cold drinks throughout the day, whether it's iced coffee in the morning, cocktails in the evening, or simply keeping the family stocked with fresh ice. It promises fast production, quiet operation, easy maintenance, and most importantly, soft, chewable nugget ice that many people actually prefer over traditional cubes. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its compact footprint. Even though it's capable of producing a generous amount of ice throughout the day, it doesn't dominate your kitchen counter. The stainless steel finish gives it a clean, modern appearance that blends nicely with most kitchens, office break rooms, or home bars. The transparent viewing window is surprisingly useful because you can quickly see how much ice has accumulated without lifting the lid every few minutes. Little touches like the built-in holder for the ice scoop also make daily use feel more organized. What really makes this machine stand out is the type of ice it produces. Instead of hard cubes, it creates soft pellet-style nugget ice that's easy to chew and absorbs the flavor of your drinks. Whether you're pouring iced tea, lemonade, soda, whiskey, or cold brew coffee, the ice cools beverages quickly without feeling overly dense or bulky. Many people actually buy nugget ice makers specifically because they enjoy eating the ice after finishing their drink, and this machine delivers exactly that experience. Performance is another strong point. After filling the water reservoir, the machine starts producing fresh ice surprisingly quickly and continues making batch after batch throughout the day. With a daily capacity of up to 34 pounds, it's more than capable of supporting everyday family use, small gatherings, movie nights, or backyard barbecues. Instead of constantly checking your freezer or running to the store for more ice, you'll have a steady supply ready whenever you need it. Using the machine couldn't be much simpler. Operation is handled with a single button, making it approachable even for someone who's never owned a countertop ice maker before. Indicator lights clearly let you know when the water level is low or when the ice basket is full, preventing unnecessary guesswork. During operation, it stays relatively quiet, so it won't become an annoyance while you're working nearby, watching television, or enjoying dinner. Cleaning is often overlooked when shopping for an ice maker, but it's an important part of long-term ownership. Thankfully, the built-in self-cleaning cycle makes maintenance straightforward. With just a few seconds of holding the cleaning button, the machine runs its cleaning program automatically, helping reduce buildup and making regular upkeep far less of a chore than manual cleaning. As with most countertop ice makers, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. This isn't a freezer, so the ice stored inside will gradually begin melting if it isn't used or transferred to a freezer. That's completely normal for machines in this category. The water tank is also relatively compact, meaning you'll occasionally need to refill it during extended periods of heavy use, especially if you're making ice continuously for large gatherings. Compared with similarly priced nugget ice makers from brands like Silonn, Gevi, or Frigidaire, the Antarctic Star holds its own very well. It offers genuine chewable nugget ice, simple one-touch controls, quiet performance, self-cleaning convenience, and a compact design that works well in smaller kitchens. While premium models can offer larger reservoirs or smart features, most households will find that this machine delivers everything they actually need without paying significantly more. If this review helped you decide whether the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is right for you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest product reviews every week. And if you're ready to enjoy fresh, chewable nugget ice at home, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and availability before any current discounts end.